I'm challenging you and encouraging you to save more money than you've ever saved before so you can impress yourself. There is money, once you save it, you have to give it an assignment. You will spend the money. We're not just saving money to save it and never spend it, because then you just really giving it to your kids. We're here to enjoy life and have fun, but you're going to spend your money intentionally. So once you save it and you put it in a bank, you know what that money is for, and you spend it for that purpose. It's called being intentional and being the CEO of your funds, the CFO, the CFO of your funds, the Chief Financial Officer of your money. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes, woo! We got good vibes because we are working on our high income binder. So let's get started. Shoo-woo! Okay, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I decided to challenge myself, and so I put together a binder that has really large savings challenges in here, but I'm going to take it in increments, small amounts. But this is all from a side hustle I got going, and I refuse to just swoop the money away. I'm going to use the money wisely. Yes, I'm going to save the money. So how much money are we working with today? We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 2, 4, 74, 75, 76, 77, half 78, so that's 780, 85, 90, 95, $800. Make money, save money, yes. Okay, so now trust me, this side hustle is making me work, y'all. I have been putting in my time, my hours. Yes, I have, but I decided I could just spend the money like crazy, or what I could do is save the money. Working hard, she works hard for the money. All right, let's get going. So hard for the money. Okay, so this is my $20,000 savings challenge, and I'm going to save 20 grand at $20 and $40 at a time. So there we go. That's $160 that we are adding to our envelope. So we have $150, $60. If you've been following me, you also know that I had to pull the cash to take it to the bank, because I didn't want all that money sitting. So we already have $200, $300, $400, $450, $470, $490, $500 saved towards our 20K. $500. So I'm gonna, the next time we come back to this, I'm gonna erase all this right here. And I'm going to go and do 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'm coloring in this row right here. And I'm going to erase this. And so then when I finish this, I'll have 1,000, right? And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to color in this row for 1,000. And then I'm going to start all over. Okay? That's the plan. Y'all caught the vision? We're going to do this. We can get to 20K. Now this beautiful savings challenge here is from my girl Hopping in the Budgets with Bunny. We're saving $400 today. Now, Bunny, you wanted me to save some money, honey. I know you did, because this thing is ferocious. It's got some big items on here. So we got $400 into this savings challenge. And so this is the envelope for that. And so we have $500, $750, $850, $950, $1,050, $1,150. We are making progress on this savings challenge. Yes, we are. All right, this is the next one. This is another, so this is from Hopping in the Budget with Bunny. Ooh, ooh. And you could go to her shop and pick it up. Now, here's the next one. We're going to roll a D20. So D20 is here. And we roll a 7. We be rolling. We rolled a 7. This is a savings challenge dedicated to hopping in the budget with Bunny. But it is from Cash Bear Mama. So we got $7 into this cute bunny challenge. So we have $20, $30, $35, $36, $37, $38. All right, so you guys see I have placeholder money. If you have a big savings challenge, I encourage you to take the money, put some placeholder money in there and get the money to the bank. But only do it if when you get it to the bank, you really don't spend it. See, once I take it to the bank, it has an assignment. That way I know I won't spend it. Okay, we said D12 on this one. So let's roll the D12. Got a 10. So this is Peaches. This is from Cash Bear Mama as well. And it's the nightlife. So $10, $25, $26. Fancy Peaches the squirrel. We love Peaches. The nightlife. All right. Now this cute one, I was just coloring in with a blue marker. I guess this was the blue I was using. $25. This is from S&C Budgets. 25 bucks at a time, and we will get to $2,500. Again, these challenges are here to stretch me. So we got $100 strawberry shortcake money. So $125 is what we have saved. I know some people, I was telling you, they save their money and then they just spend the money, right? They don't actually take the money to the bank. Like if they save for vacation, they just spend the vacation cash. And that means that they're only going to spend the money on what they intended to spend the money on. And so then you really go into a cash basis. I imagine if you needed to use your card, you could put money on a card and use the card that way. I don't know. This is $50. This is from Hopping in the Budgets with Bunny. This is for furniture. Y'all know I need furniture. My kids, they've been tearing up my furniture over the years, but they about to move out, and so I'm about to get some new furniture. So I got $250 plus $50. That's $300. Now this picture is beautiful, but I won't be getting furniture that looks like that. It's beautiful though, but no, honey. I got a grandson coming, and he, yeah. Now this is from the nightlife, and we're supposed to save the first Friday of the month. I was so late to the party. We're just going to try to do this. So this is $75. So let's put $75 in here. That's what we're going to do. All right. So this is the Panda Saving Challenge. So we have 150, 170, 80, 82, 87, $187. So this, I don't know, let me see, I think I did the math. It saves you $811, I think, saving the first Friday of the month. We're only in March. I'm gonna skip this one and come back because I want to put 25 in here. We only have a $50 bill. So let's go to this is a savings challenge that Cash Bear Mama did for me. It's 70. So I'm gonna put 25 placeholder money because it's going back into the same binder. So there we go. So now we put $25 in here because I want to save 25. Okay. Now this one, we can put $10 in. So this is called Bless. This is Nightlife. By the way, y'all, this savings challenge is Onyx. It was dedicated to me from Cash Bear Mama. Thank you, Cash Bear Mama. So I got $10 here in this savings challenge. This is from the Nightlife. So we got $25 saved. It's going to save a total of $40. I'm not sure. Is that right? We got 25 plus 15. That'll get you 40. When my math is mathing, it'll get you 40. This one, I said I roll a D6 and see how much we save with a D6. $4. And so let's see, what color do I want to do? Let's do orange and put $4 in. Let me see, we only have 3, so we need a break. Open another pack of ones. So 1, 2, 3, $4. So this is by the Nightlife, and we have $14 saved. This one is not a set amount because I'm rolling D6. Now, this last one is from Hopping in a Budget with Bunny. Oh, I got stuff on it. Let's scratch this one since I got it messed up. It's $10. Now these are all 1 through 10. So the highest is $10. But you will save $184 on this challenge. So I have, let me see what's in here. I have a 10, so I can put a 10 here and put a 20. So now we have $77 in my coin scratcher. So we got, let's see, 15. We got to go back because we skipped this one. So we got 15, 20, and then we got 1, 2, 3, $4. All right, so we can cross. That's why I like this challenge. You can do some stuff. It's flexible. So there's 20, 10, 15, 20, and then here, oh, that $4 is already colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could do the 3 and the 1. I hope y'all can see that. Oh, y'all don't even see the 20. Here's the $20. All right, so for this little piggy went to market. It's kind of fun having the placeholder money here. Because we treat this like regular money. Because it's money in the bank. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, $60. So this is 5. So $60. So I'll get, after I get so much money in here, I'll take the money to the bank. And some people go, well, why don't you just put the money in the bank? Because, number one, I like counting the money. And this is work that I've done. This is my side hustle money. I want to count my money. Number two, when I go through this process of saving money, it's work. It's like you've gone through and you have put through this effort to save this money. So you are not going to just the money away. You give it an assignment. You put it in your account and you have it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all the money that's in here other than, this one is going to furniture. Yes, this is going to furniture. Some of this is going to go to my son for college. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's going to take a little bit to finish it, but that's okay. We're going to get there. Yes, 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 we are. I encourage you to stretch and challenge yourself to save. I love you guys. I appreciate you. And if you like this video and you want more videos, come back and hang out with me and like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.